a shaded roof or strict HOA means solar isn't possible? Think again. With today's advanced tech like microinverters and power optimizers, even partially shaded solar panels can generate efficient power, minimizing energy loss that once made shaded homes a no-go. And regarding HOA restrictions, most U.S. states have passed solar access laws protecting homeowners' rights to install solar panels, even in HOA-governed communities. In many cases, HOAs can guide the look or placement, but they can't block your access to clean energy. Don't have the ideal roof? Ground-mounted systems or creative placement solutions can still make solar viable. Plus, with federal incentives like the 30% solar tax credit (ITC) still active in 2025, going solar is more affordable than ever. Home limitations don't have to mean solar is off the table. You just need the right solar partner. Solar SME specializes in tailored system designs that overcome common barriers. Don't assume, get the facts. Contact Solar SME for your free solar assessment and see what's truly possible.